iPhone 16 Pro Max, release date, specs, features, leaks and news. Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, release date, specs, design, preview, review, rumors. The Apple company is approaching the launch of its newer Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max 5G model. It's expected to be durable and efficient and will feature 6GB RAM, a 16-megapixel camera, and a 5G connection. Apple is an American technology company based in California. The company is one of the best in the world and has many loyal customers. Below is the amazing features, specification and also release date for the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Before you buy this phone, make sure you read this part carefully. This information can be used to decide whether to buy this phone straight now. Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max specs. Display. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max has a beautiful 6.4-inch screen. It is equipped with a 3D touch screen and a Retina display. This display has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. This phone is protected by the latest Gorilla Glass. The screen density is 324 ppi. You can choose between two colors, black and gold. Camera. This smartphone takes amazing photos. You will be able to take pictures with a high megapixel camera that looks like they were taken with a professional camera. The rear camera on this phone will be 16MP plus 13MP plus 13MP plus TOF 3D. The front camera on this phone will be 16 megapixels. The camera features of the iPhone 16 Pro Max are very interesting. Battery. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a big battery. It is 4,350 mAh, which is larger than most phones. And fast charging technology. The combination of this phone's battery and charger capacity is interesting. RAM and ROM. Apple has a wide variety of phones. One of its latest models is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. There is also a 512 GB micro SD slot. More info. It's a hexa-core processor, which means it has 6 cores. 2 are based on the Avalanche architecture, 2 by 3.4 GHz Avalanche plus 4 XX.X GHz Blizzard, and 4 are based on the Blizzard architecture. It runs on iOS v17, which includes a ton of useful features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and more. Your phone's network technology is pretty cool. It has dual and single SIM and GPS as well as 3G, 4G, and 5G for fast internet connections. Flash forward to the future, and Apple is announcing a new phone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will have sensors galore, even a fingerprint sensor. Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max release date. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a smartphone that everyone is eagerly waiting for. Apple has not yet announced the release date, but it is expected to arrive in 2023.